Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 13 Neo, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here let's scroll down in order to find the battery. I promise that this operation is quite easy. So let's enter the battery, and as you can see at the very bottom of this list we've got the battery percentage option, which is currently of course turned off because I've got only the battery indicator. So let's simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see basically immediately we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery right next to the battery icon. Of course we can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher again, but let me leave it like this as it is quite useful. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.